The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. Sometimes when you're looking at these charts, you realize that those Gen X peepers you got ain't doing the job anymore. How do you adjust the size and font of the screens in ThinkorSwim? I'm going to do that right here, right now on the Ujama Network. You're going to realize real quick as you're trying to squint and move and adjust your vision, move closer to the screen. Now, homeboy, you just can't see anymore. You're old, just like me. So, how do you get around that problem so you don't miss a cue? When you open ThinkorSwim, it's usually kind of small. It's set to its smallest setting by default, so you can fit more information on the screen. It doesn't help if you can't see that information. So, here's what you do. You go straight over to the main setup icon right there in the corner. Scroll down and go to Open Setup Wizard. This is the defaults where if you ever make a mistake in ThinkorSwim where you added a chart, can't find something, this is how you get back to square one. We're going to go to default, hit next, and here is how you change that look and feel. We're going to go from small to medium, and then we're going to go from normal to tight and hit next and get started. It'll shut down, come back up, go ahead and hit that maximize screen, and it's a lot better for you to see what you need to see. You can keep doing that and adjust it to your liking automatically, or already you're seeing less real estate here. You don't want to make it too big so you can't fit information in there, but that's how you do it. Once again, it's setup, open setup wizard, choose your preference, go to look and feel, let's go change it to large and normal. Next, get started and maximize it again. And there you have it. These tutorials are designed to be quick, easy, and efficient, just like your trading should be. Tune in next time and we will go into another frequently asked question or tutorial.